Can you rock this for me? Oh, hello, sunshine, literally.
Hi everyone, Liv here.
And me, Taraj.
I feel like all of my friends are getting married. And with the wedding comes my favorite part, in my opinion, the honeymoon.
Girl, I thought I was the only one. Literally being the jet setter of the group, all of my friends are coming to me asking like, what should I pack and all that stuff for their honeymoon. It's crazy.
All right, perfect. And I found the right guy for this video because today we're gonna offer all of our packing advice using some of our favorite items from the Wedding Wire shop.
I'm gonna pretend like I'm going to Bora Bora.
I mean, I feel like I'm in like a summer dress, got my seashell earrings. I feel like I can just hop on a plane right now.
I mean, you're ready.
So let's pack a bag. Let's do it.
it.
Packing for a trip is always more fun when a cocktail is involved.
Girl, say it louder for the people in the back. So let's get this vacation started by pouring ourselves a glass of bubbly.
Look what I got here.
Oh, yes.
Will you do the honors? Because I don't trust myself with this.
Ooh, it did it on its own. Oh my God.
Let me grab glasses.
Wait, so are these collapsible?
Oh, great question, Taraj. So these are collapsible wine glasses. They are plastic, so you don't have to worry about them breaking.
That's clutch.
They come in their own travel case, so you can bring them wherever, and they are personalized, so you know who they belong to.
I love these portable glasses because you know what? That means you can get it popping no matter where you are.
Speaking of popping, can you pour me a glass, please?
All right, I got you, love.
Cheers.
Cheers.
When packing, I always try to pack a weekender duffel bag that is big enough to fit all of my essentials, but small enough to be considered a carry-on item for the plane or whatever mode of transportation.
Let me tell you, that is the tea, because ain't nobody got time to be waiting at the airport for a checked bag when you be spending that time on the beach, hitting a bar. Time is precious and valuable.
Absolutely. This stylish faux leather weekender bag is the perfect size, plus has a shoulder strap for hands-free carrying.
Right, now when it comes to packing, always try to start the process at least a few days before your trip.
I know, it might be tempting to pack the night before or an hour before your trip, but it's best to create a packing list to make sure you don't forget anything important.
All right, let's plan some outfits. What should we include on the list?
Usually when I'm packing, I try to stick to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rule, which is packing 1 hat, 2 pairs of shoes, 3 pairs of pants or skirts, 4 shirts, 5 pairs of socks, and 6 sets of underwear.
I mean, that definitely sounds like it's enough clothes for a week-long trip, and you could adjust it accordingly for your needs too.
Absolutely. Plus, make sure you're packing clothes that can be mixed and matched and worn a few times.
So now that we got everything checked off our list, now it's time to stuff this weekender bag. I highly recommend the roll, don't fold method.
Taraj, can you show me?
Most definitely.
All right, let me grab some clothes.
All right. So this is super easy. So you just fold them in half, and then you roll from the waist down. Now that the clothes are rolled up, let's just throw them in the bag.
Look at all this space we have.
Oh, yeah, just throw it in. Still got ample room for a bunch of other items.
Which brings us to our next point.
You cannot forget to pack your Just Married flip-flops, so if you could pass me those over there.
Absolutely.
These are perfect because they leave these Just Married prints in the sand. It's adorable.
So no one is gonna forget your newly married status while you're walking in the sand. Let's pack these.
All right, let's throw them in.
I feel like we need 1 more pair of shoes.
Yes, we do, and don't worry about getting dirt all over your clothes because you could take your shoes and insert them in a nice little shower cap, and this will protect your clothes from dirt and grime and all of that.
Plus, to save even more space in your bag, you can store your socks right in your shoes. Moving on to other must-haves. With all the drinking, eating, and sitting out in the sun, I always need to pack my favorite skincare products, and this small quilted makeup bag is great for that.
Ooh, this is cute, and it feels so soft and plush.
Exactly, and I highly recommend storing your skincare products or makeup in a separate bag to reduce the risk of having them leak onto your clothes.
Wait a minute, where did that come from now?
Okay, so most of my friends will be honeymooning somewhere on the beach, so a floppy sun hat is a must.
All right, can you rock this for me? Oh, hello, sunshine, literally. I love that. It's so stylish and cute, while it's also providing, major sun protection. Look at that coverage.
Yes, and similar to our collapsible wine glasses, this hat is also collapsible, which makes it easy to pack and store in your bag. So go ahead, pack an extra swimsuit.
And speaking of bathing suits, how about this cute little waterproof wet swimsuit bag?
I love that. This item is a must. Throw this into your bag without worrying about getting your other belongings wet.
It also has a cute little wristlet handle, which makes it easy to carry around. Plus, it has a separate zipper pocket inside to hold cash, keys, or other important items. Well, that's all the packing tips that we have for today, Liv. Aren't we just good people for helping our friends pack for their honeymoons?
Absolutely, but I feel like now that we're packed, we should just look into a flight to somewhere tropical.
Obviously, let's get to it.
But first, make sure to subscribe to the Wedding Wire channel for more helpful videos of Taraj and I. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.